Cryptoslo, cryptocurrency news and investing.
Cryptoslo with more crypto gains. What's going on, guys? So tonight I want to talk about Pancake Protectors. So the new game by PancakeSwap, which is all about tower defense. So if you're not familiar with tower defense games, it's basically you have a bunch of characters and then you're trying to keep the enemies from getting to your main base, and then you earn experience points, etc., etc. So how do I play? What do I need to do? Number one, you're gonna need cake. Okay, looking at the price chart on cake, it started to move a little bit, but this game is gonna burn a lot of cake. This is very overwhelming. I had never played these games before, so I wasn't really like super savvy with them, and there's just so many places to click, so many things to do. But basically, you accumulate heroes, okay, and then you do these battles, and then you earn power, and you just keep getting upgrades, and it's pay to play. Now, there's a trading center and a store, training ground, metal hall, and I'll probably be starting my own Cryptoslo Legion if you want to join that. I have to get to level 10, so I'll post that here as soon as I hit it and I'm able to make my Legion. But anyways, this is overwhelming. My best advice for you is just to jump in and start clicking on buttons. It does have some sound effects. Let me turn them on real quick. So it's pretty cool. I don't want to get demonetized here, so I'm going to leave the music off. So basically, you just start fighting and pushing buttons. This looks optimized for mobile, as you can see by the dimensions on it. So let's get into a battle. Let's see how this works. So you got your heroes, which kind of like are like sort of like NFTs, your backpack, chapters, arena, and I haven't done this yet. You get more bonuses, and there's chests popping out here and there. My best, like, it's really hard to try to do a tutorial on this, so the best way to do it is just to start mashing buttons. But the most important things you're going to need to do is add cake. So go to PancakeSwap, get you some cake, come to Pancake Protectors, hit this button in the top right, deposit withdrawal, and deposit some cake. Okay, then once you have cake, you can go to the main city, you can go to the store, you can buy stuff. You got gold, you got cash, you got cake. So there's different currencies in the game, okay? But the main thing is just get some cake, number one, okay? And there's a store you can buy heroes. Number two, just click on chapter. Now, you can do this manually, click in and move in and all this stuff, but it's kind of hard to build EXP if you haven't played the game. Look, I got another gold chest. And it's just constantly giving you this stuff. But what I recommend is just putting this on auto challenge, okay? And it's fights. You can change your characters if I want to replace. So I have my 3 characters, and then there's this main power bar. Once this power bar reaches full, you can left click, and it's a special, basically a special weapon or your power weapon. And then you use it and it drains, and then it charges back up again. So boom. So then, you know, this is flipping around. Enemies are parachuting in. This takes you back. This will quit the battle. And you really need to build some base experience up and upgrade your characters a little bit before, otherwise you're just going to get your butt whipped. But victory, level 10. Yes. All right. Level up. Oh, wait. I just hit level 10. That means my main city, my legion's unlocked. All right. Let's go over here. Like I said, I wanted to start my own Cryptoslo Legion. Legion cannot be found. Create a Legion. So create Legion 10 cake. Cryptoslo. So this is why I said you have to have cake. I will not be fighting alone. Since you're new here, let me show you around the Legion facilities. So benefits, select a hero. Let's do this guy. Great. Blah, 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 blah. All right. And then there's a challenge. Legion challenge requires multiple commanders to team up and fight. Join a team. So anyways, if you want to join it, you can join the Cryptoslo Legion now. So anyways, check out Pancake Protectors. This is so much fun. It's fully developed. It's ready to go. It's ready to play. So let's see, join a team. Firm. Holy crap. It's a lot of battles. So this basically allows you to gain XP faster. And like I said, I turned the sound effects off. Let's go back to the main center. All right. So again, if you go over to Legion, you can join the Cryptoslo Legion. So pretty dope. Pretty dope game though. It's fun. I like people that build things. Okay. I've said that I'm going to do a video on that here soon. And that is, I'm just staying away from stuff that is not building. You know, part of the reason I like Elephant Money so much is the dev never stops building. Okay. Which is totally awesome. But anyways, check out Pancake Protectors. This is Cryptoslo. If you're not talking gains, then we're not talking.